Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off the emergency call feature on iPhone. So if you go ahead and press your side button for a couple of seconds, like 5 to 10 seconds, then you should see the emergency SOS pops on your iPhone. And now here, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the emergency SOS on your phone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off the emergency call feature on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings app, scroll down, locate emergency SOS and click on that. Once you selected emergency SOS, you see call with hold and release. And you should also see call with 5 button press. So if I press this button 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is going to make an emergency SOS call. Now, for me to stop this or to turn off the emergency SOS call, all I just need to do is go ahead and disable call with 5 button presses. Then I can also make emergency SOS call with hold and release. So I can also disable this, and that's you are good. This is going to disable or turn off the emergency SOS feature on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.